Hello everyone. In this video, we're gonna see how to install Claude Code to your mobile phone. So this is our Android phone. Okay, so first of all, you need to install Termux on your system. Okay, so I have already done that. Let me open the Termux. Okay, I just installed it. Just install it, allow it the permission. Okay, so let me zoom a bit. Okay, now it is visible. First of all, we need to like update all the packages and upgrade them if there is any upgrade. So run this command. Okay, now we're gonna install some packages. Okay, so package install proot distro curl git and y. Okay, so it will install curl git and the proot distro so that we can install the Ubuntu, and then we will install Claude inside the Ubuntu on our Android phone. Okay, so run this service also because it will help you in future. My bad. Okay. Okay, okay, after this you're gonna install like Ubuntu. So for that we use proot distro install Ubuntu. So it will take some time, just take tea. So just ignore this 32-bit architecture warning, so don't worry about this. Okay, now we're gonna run as it is already written proot distro login Ubuntu. Okay, now we are inside Ubuntu. Okay, so if I like add GOS release, so you can see that it is Ubuntu. Okay, here you can see that it is Ubuntu 25.10. Okay, so now we're gonna install the Claude inside it. So run this command exactly claude.ai install.sh. Okay, run this command. It will download a lot of things, so you need to be patient if your internet is like very slow. Okay, the Cloud Code is installed our system on our Android phone, so we need to run like this command as well. So run this echo export. Okay, it should be exactly same, so make sure you don't mistake anywhere. So export path, it is written here, you can see that. Okay, now equal to sign, then home, then dot local, then bin, then colon, then path. Then we need to add our bashrc file. Now we're gonna source it. Okay, I don't know. Okay, bashrc file. Okay, if we run Claude, it will run. Okay, as you can see, it is running. So you can use light mode, dark mode, anyone you like. Okay, now you need to log in to it, so you can use your Claude account, Anthropic console API or anything. So if you want to like exit this, you don't want to log in, then just press Ctrl and C again and again, it will exit. Okay, so as you can see, we are exit. Okay, so we are exit and we are exit as well. So if you like try to launch it again, then go to terminal, sorry, Termux on your Android phone. Then you need to log into, sorry, proot distro login Ubuntu. Okay, after login to Ubuntu, just hit the Claude command and it will run again. Okay, so as you can see, it is running again. So we will press Ctrl C again and again. so that we can exit it. We don't want to log in. So if you like want to use the storage of your Android phone to like create the project and want to access in the Ubuntu or Termux, then you must install in the Termux, not in the Ubuntu. You should make sure you are exiting the application and run it again, and then run this command termux setup storage. Okay, now it will open a settings menu where you should find the termux app, which will be like at the very end. So we will wait. Okay, go to very end and allow all file access. Now you will access your storage here. If I like go to storage, wait a second. Okay, storage DCIM. Okay, as you can see, if I go to camera, it will list all the captured images and videos as well of my phone. So I hope you get the idea, and if this video helps you, then please do like, share and subscribe. And in the next video we will try to use the Claude Code very free in the Android phone using the open code API. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you know about the video when it comes, and we will make a small project also. So thanks for watching.